Hey there everyone, it's Courtney again. This week we are in the kitchen making some spooky cupcakes for Halloween. It's a really basic recipe, but it's a really fun one that the kids can get involved in, and we're going to do some fun decorating too, okay? So let's get started. First, you are going to want to just slightly warm up and soften 175 grams of butter. And then all of your ingredients are going to go in. 2 cups of our self-raising flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 3 eggs. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So we're just going to make vanilla cupcakes today. We're going to add a bit of spooky Halloween decorations to them. You can also add any other sultanas, chopped chips, fruit, apple, banana. You can make these. This is just a really nice basic recipe, but you can go crazy. So all together we're going to beat this on low for a minute. And once you've done a minute on low, we're going to go up to high just until it's light and fluffy. Okay, beautiful. Now that's a beautiful texture. Nice, light and fluffy. You can see it just falls off the beaters nice and easily. And then we're just going to add a little bit of, I'm going to mix in a little bit of red food colouring and give it a bit of a swirl, but you can put whatever toppings or adds you want in. Okay, so here you can see I've just added a couple of drops of red food colouring in, and then I've just given it a real quick kind of fold. It's going to look a little bit like blood. Okay, so that's all mixed. Now we're going to use a 1/4 cup or a 1/3 of a cup to spoon the mixture into little cupcake molds. And you want your cupcake molds or your patty pans to be about 1/2 to 3/4 full, because they are going to rise. This mix will make about 18 to 24 cupcakes, depending on how generous you are with your servings. And then once we've filled them, we're going to put them in the oven. 160 degrees fan force, 180 electric, for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until they're golden. And then we'll come back and do some fun decorating. Okay, so our cupcakes are perfectly light and golden, they're nice and fluffy, and we're going to make our buttercream frosting now. I'm going to use roughly 1:2 ratio of butter to baker's icing. So softened butter, now I'm going to beat that until it's nice and light and fluffy. Okay, so now once your butter is nice and light, it'll be really pale in colour, it'll be nice and fluffy. You're slowly going to gradually add in the baker's icing and beat it as it goes, okay? Okay, the fun part, the decorating part. Now I've used my buttercream frosting and I've divided it into balls and coloured it into different colours. Go crazy. You guys can choose whatever colour you want. And you're just going to have fun with it. So I've got a pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern here, just some nice decorations, a spider web, a monster. Knock yourselves out, guys. So here, the orange, we're going to go long ways. Some green to the top of our jack-o'-lantern. some funky monsters. Have fun with it. Maybe some sprinkles on him. Let's do a spider web. So we'll go white on the bottom. Really fun for Halloween for the kids. Black spider web. And then just use a knife just to pull that out. And I'm just using a chocolate button here. Some googly eyes. For a little spider there. And then let's go with some purple. This time let's go on with some fun candy decorations, some bones. You can use some black cats, some snakes, some frogs. Honestly, it's up to you. So hopefully this is some fun you guys can have at home with the kids. Send us in your creations if you make them and we'll share them. And happy Halloween!